Hi everybody, welcome to Mr. Kinman's Music Assembly number 4. For today's warm-up, we're going to work a little bit on our breathing, because sometimes when you're singing, you have a long note that you need to keep singing for before you can breathe in, and this warm-up should help you to do that in one of the songs we're going to do today. So, we're going to breathe in for 4 seconds through our nose, and then we're going to breathe out for 4 through our mouths. Ready? Off we go. One more time. Alright, this time we're going to breathe out for a bit longer. So we're going to breathe in for 4 beats and we're going to breathe out for 8. Ready? Still not too difficult, right? This time we're going to breathe in for 4 beats, we're going to breathe out for 16. So that's a fair bit longer, so you might start to run out of breath. If you do, my top tip is, you've got to get your tummy, and not with your hands, but you've got to push it out, stick out your tummy, like you're pretending to be Santa or something. You stick out your tummy, it will help you to keep on breathing out for longer, and you'll control how much breath comes out. So let's give it a try, ready? In for 4, out for 16. Wow, so I nearly ran out of breath then. I was quite tricky even for me, okay? But I stuck my tummy out to keep going to the end. Try it one more time. I bet you'll find it easier. Ready? Here we go. Well done. If you got all the way to 16, that's going to really help you for what we do next. One more thing before we move on to that song, let's have a little competition. We're going to have a lip buzzing competition. We're going to breathe in and see how long you can keep your lips going like this for before you run out of breath. No breathing in again, no cheating. See if you can beat me. Ready? I'm only going to breathe in for 4 again. Alright, there's your challenge. See if you can beat that one. That will really help your breathing too. Okay, our first song today is called Helly, Helly, Shum. Those are all the words. Not really real words, it's just Helly, Helly, Shum 4 times. And there's a really simple little body percussion beat that sounds really cool if you can master it, that goes along with this song. It goes a little bit like this. 3, 4. 3, 4. So let me slow down that a little bit so that we can learn it together. So we start off with one hand on one knee, and the other hand above it to go up to, and then down again, and then this hand on this knee, and then this hand up, and then both hands down. So like this, down, up, down, up, down, and again, down, up, down, up, down. A little bit faster, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. And a bit faster again. 3, 4. 3, 4. That's about as fast as it's going to be. This time I'm going to sing Helly, Helly, Shum as I do it. For this week, maybe just concentrate on doing the beat and the singing separately. Don't try and do them both together all at once. Okay, so I'm going to keep on singing it so that you can join in, hopefully after a few times through, and then the other Mr. Kinmans might join in and show you how it goes in 2 parts as well. Here we go. Off we go, Helly, Helly, Shum Helly, Helly, Shum Helly, Helly, Shum Helly, 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 shum, ray. And again, helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. You join in. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Helly, helly, shum, ray. Now the other Mr. Kimmons. Helly, helly, shum, ray.
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 Nice job. Okay, remember our partner songs from last week, Bottles of Pop and Don't Throw Your Junk in My Backyard. Now, hopefully you've had a practice of those because we're going to do them at the same time as partner songs. I'm going to start off with Bottles of Pop, and then the other Mr. Kimmons is going to do Don't Throw Your Junk in My Backyard. So you choose which side you want to follow along with, or even better, hopefully you've got somebody else there with you so that you can do different sides and do the partner song together yourselves as well. So I'm going to start off with Bottles of Pop, and then the other side will join in. Ready? Off we go. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop.
Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard.
5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop,
My backyard's full. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full.
Good job, that sounded really good. Okay everyone, for the last thing in our music assembly this week, we're going to have a sing-along with Mr. Kimmons. So we're going to sing along to the song Shotgun by George Ezra. And I'm sure loads of you know it already, but the words are going to come up here if you want them to sing along to. Any musical parents, any guitarists, you will need a capo on the 2nd fret, but there's only 4 chords in this song basically. There's C major, F major, A minor and G major in that order. Okay everybody, get ready. Off we go, homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I can get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you'll know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Great job, everybody. Come back next week and we'll finish off the song and have a look at some new things too. Have fun making music with your family. Take care. I'll see you soon.